A new way to think. Ali was a young man from small town in Pakistan. He always dreamed of speaking English fluently. He watched English movies, read books, and listened to podcasts. But whenever he tried to speak, he froze. His mind went blank. He could understand English, but he couldn't speak it. One day, he watched a video on YouTube titled Think and Speak in English. The speaker said, "Don't just study English, start thinking in English." Ali was confused. How can I think in English? He asked himself, but he decided to try. The first step that we have, that is simple thoughts. Ali started with simple thoughts. When he woke up, he told himself, "I'm getting out of bed now. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm having breakfast." Didn't translate from Urdu. He tried to use only English in his mind. Second step we have, that is talk to yourself. Later, he began talking to himself while walking. He said things like, "It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. I need to buy some milk. I will study English for 30 minutes today." At first, he made mistakes, but he didn't stop. He kept going. Three we have, that is speak without fear. Speak without fear. Ali also joined an English speaking group online. He met people from India, Brazil, and Egypt. He introduced himself. "Hi, I'm Ali. I love learning language." At first, he was nervous. He said the wrong words, but everyone was kind. They helped him. Slowly, his confidence grew. He stopped worrying about grammar. He started enjoying the conversation. 3 months later, Ali's friends noticed a big change. His cousin said, "Ali, your English is much better." Ali smiled and said, "Thank you, I think in English now." That changed everything. Moral of the story is that you want to speak English fluently. You want to speak English confidently. Start thinking in English. Use simple words. Talk to yourself. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Thinking and speaking go hand in hand, and fluency, it's just a few thoughts away.